to love God with all your heart, mind, soul, and strength, and to love your neighbor as yourself. Those two. Love God and love neighbor. That's the greatest commandment in Christianity. Now, marriage is seen if you are able to love your spouse with the same love of God. If you're able, it is an opportunity to fulfill the greatest commandment of Christianity. Right? How do you love your neighbor as you love yourself? Well, I mean, your neighbor isn't just the person living next to you. Let's say your neighbor is your friend. You love your friend, but like once they get annoying, you like leave them, right? It's like you need some space. They say something annoying to you, you go, you watch some TV or something, you're good the next day, or you talk it out, but you're not in each other's faces all day. You have space. You know you can not be friends with them anymore. That's okay, right? So you're not quite loving your neighbor as you love yourself. How do you fulfill that commandment? You stay in somebody's face. You live with them. You marry them, right? When you're married with somebody, there's no way out. You're with them all the time. They say something, you gotta learn to talk about it. You gotta learn to give. You gotta learn to be patient. You gotta learn to be humble. You have to learn how to accept love and give love. You have to learn all of the virtues of God. And that's part of the secret of not divorcing. That's part of the reason that the whole framework is don't divorce, because your perseverance through it. Of course, there's exceptions and abuse, and I'm just talking generally. The purpose is that in persevering through the difficulties, you become the person you're supposed to be. You become like God. You become loving, caring, gentle, patient. You become a person who is able to love their neighbor as themselves. That's part of the great mystery. You start to love another person the way God loves his church.